So guys, last week I promised that I'm going to get an account this week to start trading with, and I'm thinking of getting an account today because I would have gotten it on Monday, but financial stuffs, problems and everything came up and I couldn't get the account. I was not financially stable then, but now I have the money in my bank, so I'm going to get this account right away. I'm going to be getting Equity Edge, their live accounts. I'm going for their 10k. That's about 31 and something cent. It's way more than that, but they are currently running a 50% discount, so that's why I'm getting that account right now. So we'll be trading that account from tomorrow. Know what it is. You just have to keep trying. So let's go to the screen and while I record, and you see how I'm going to get this account, and so you can get an account for yourself as well. And make sure you use the link in the bio, the link in the description, to get an account with the code here, so that you can also start earning. You could get an account with a 50% discount and start trading as well. So let's go. So to get an account with Equity Edge, you go to your Google and just search for Equity Edge, and then you'll find this. This is their logo. This is what their logo looks like. So you just have to click on it and you wait for it to load. It's gonna load, and then this is what it looks like. We are currently running a 30%, but you're not going to be using a 30%. We're going to be using 50%. So make sure you use the link below to get your account. So let's start trading. Click on start trading. This is what amazes me. They give 90% profit split on your first payout, and their average payout processing time is 24 hours, and they are available or being used by 180 plus countries. So let's start trading with them, guys. Let's start trading with them. But if you don't understand their rules, you can join their community. Use a Discord. You can join them and ask questions. So let's get an account. They allow one step starting from 2k, and we are going to be getting a Pro Edge. That is a live account. It's literally simulated. It's not a real money. We only get paid real cash, but it's simulated. So we have this is a dashboard. This is what it looks like on the Pro Edge. Trading period is unlimited. Minimum trading days is 7 days. Maximum daily loss is 3%, and max loss is 5%. And they have this 15% profit score, and there is no profit target. And this is leverage at 1:30 for forex, and 1:10 for metals, and 1:10 for indices. So the profit share is 90%, and they allow access to mass trader, and there is a max risk. Can't risk more than 1%. Is it? And the safety caution is 3%. Now the safety caution is something that you want to also put into consideration when you are trading Equity Edge. It simply means that you are not going to withdraw more than if they are giving you 80% profit split, or before you withdraw any money from your account, you are going to remove 3% from the account. Like 3% will be in the account, and you withdraw the rest. Then they will still take their profit split of about 10% from you, so you keep 90. So let's go to the screen. Let me show you something. And their inactivity rule is 30 days. It's 30 days, guys. It's 30 days. So let's go ahead and buy an account. Let's buy an account. Let's get an account. So they allow their payment methods is crypto and card payment. They allow card payment. Pay with card. They allow card payments, but I'm gonna be paying with cards because that's the one I have. That's the one I'm going to pay with. I don't have charges, so I'll pay for that. So click on 10k mass trader, and this is the account. It's costs 62.30, but then we are going to let's put in the code. Let's put in the code. As the code has been applied, and the money we are going to be paying is 31.15. So let's pay. And guys, once I make payments and they've sent me the login, so I'm definitely gonna update you. And tomorrow is Wednesday, so we'll start trading from tomorrow. today has already been messed up. GBP USD has already spoiled our trading week. Yeah, I'm already holding Nasdaq, but then GBP USD, it's not messed up. I messed up because I closed out the trade and I entered with the wrong lot size on the account. So since we are risking 1% on this account, we are going the max risk is 1%, so we are going to be reducing our risk to 0.5. So we'll be risking below 0.5, that is from 0.5 to 0.2, so that we can maximize, and we are still working on strategy and working on the edge as well. So that's make sure you use the link in the description to get an account with the code here. So, and if you want to start trading, you want to learn my strategy, and you want to anything, you can use the link below, the link, and look for what you want. If you want a VIP signal, I don't have a Telegram group for everyone. It's just a monthly signal I provide for everyone. And what else? If you want a one-on-one class with me, you want to learn my strategy, you can use the link in the description. We just few penny, and you can just get an account. Make sure you jump on this and don't sleep on it, because every 6 months is going to add, the price is going to increase, so you want to jump on it. So there will be a discount for the first 10 persons that uses the link. So guys, I was able to get the account, but then the thing is that I didn't get the 10k anymore. I got a 5k instead of a 10k due to let me say financial stuff. And this is the account. Let me show it to you. So this is the account. So guys, now here's the thing. I've gotten the account, and I couldn't place a trade. I'm sorry, I couldn't find the credentials, so I can't trade right now. So they asked me to wait for another 1 hour before I could get the credentials. But then here is the thing. By wondering, why did I get a live account instead of an evaluation account? The thing there is that I find it difficult to get money, to generate money in order to buy a Propfirm. Even this one is out of after a lot of starving, and so before I could get this money, and a lot of sacrifices came but before I could get this account. So that's why I'm getting a live account. So once they pay me, I can get an evaluation account, and I can save some for myself as well, because an evaluation account could take me 2 to 3 months, depending. It may take me 2 or 3 months before I could pass an evaluation. But yeah, on this account, if I should be risking about like now, I'm planning on risking the 0.25. That is about, since the Propfirm only allows a max risk of 1%, I'm looking to go below 0.5, so that in case there is a slippage or out of a trade, maybe I'm holding a trade and there's a slippage, it won't affect me, you get. So that's why I'm gonna be using 0.25, and that's profitability. That's about $12 going for 25. That's much, brother. I only bought the account $20, $20.65. That's a lot of profit, brother. If I make a withdrawal, that's nice. So I'm gonna be trading this account from tomorrow. I don't think I'll be trading on Thursday, so we only have 2 trading days now left, because Thursday is CPI, and you know how the market does its whole thing. So I'll be trading only tomorrow, and that's if they send me the credentials. But then, so let's stay tuned. I'm gonna drop this video separately from this account, so on the week's video it's gonna be uploaded separately. I can't add it because it's gonna be much, you get it. So bye guys, that is it for this video. Have a nice day.